What's up? My name is Terrell, and I am the founder and CEO of Kingz Trading 101. We are here to help aspiring traders become successful and profitable, but with the twist. What's the twist? We teach you how to do it for free. Yep, completely free. We're not going to have any strings attached, anything like that. If you want to become a successful and profitable trader, just stick around. We'll show you how to do it, get you signed up, everything for free. Before we actually get into all of that, I do have to go over some legal stuff real quick. So before we get into our offer, understand that trading in futures, commodity, and Forex markets are one of the riskiest forms of investment available in the financial markets and suitable for responsible individuals. The possibility exists that you could sustain a substantial loss of funds, and therefore you should not invest money you cannot afford to lose, nor will Kingz Trading 101 be responsible for any losses sustained. Trade at your own risk. Now, that's something I wish people would have told me when I first got into this, because when I first got into it, I jumped right into it. Just a quick little story. When I first started trading, it was based off of binary options. I actually came across a video that was talking about binary options, and it basically said you could trade the stock market with just an easy true or false statement. And I thought stock market, millions of dollars, true or false, that sounds easy. Let's do it. So that's what I did. I jumped into it, got my money into an account, no demo account, real money, didn't know what I was doing, and immediately I won a few trades, lost a few trades, thought I was in it to win it, and then I busted out my account. But I'm no quitter. So I put more money in my account. But by this time, I actually watched a few videos and thought I had figured everything out. But I know that there was knowledge to be had too. So I looked around and found a guy that claimed to teach people how to trade. And to be fair to him, what he offers has a little bit of value to it in terms of learning about the concept of standard deviations. But that's pretty much all that he offered. But I didn't realize this at the time because I didn't know what I was doing. So I gave him my $80, $90 a month. I don't know what it was at the time, but it was somewhere around $80, $90. And basically, for what I could do and eventually learn how to do, what I can do in 30 minutes of my day, I was paying him basically $90 a month or something like that to do it for me. And after I realized this, I kind of got a little irritated. Okay. And so that was the first step to me starting Kingz Trading 101. But then I was learning how to trade myself. I actually had come up with some of my own strategies, started coding some of my own indicators. As far as like finding different targets on the chart, stuff like that, I had excelled. As far as the guy that I was paying money to give me that stuff, I had beyond excel what he was doing because I was actually learning how to trade. And what I came to learn about this guy was he was just a marketer. He didn't know how to trade. He was just really good at his sales pitch, and he could take something that was really simple and make it seem magical. That's what he did. And once I figured that out, I got even more irritated because he would always put a challenge out. And that challenge was nobody has charts as good as we do. Our charts are the best. Anybody out there that can show me anything better, bring it on. And so I heard this one too many times, so I took him up on his challenge. And I honestly took him to be a man of integrity and thought that he was literally challenging someone, but that was just another part of his marketing campaign and his strategy to get people interested in what he was selling. And I found that out real quick because I was in his group on Facebook, and when I actually told him that I wanted to challenge, take him up on the challenge, he actually kicked me out of the group, said I was trying to use his platform to market to other people, stuff like that. And to be honest, I hadn't even started any company, wasn't thinking about it. I was just irritated with him and wanted to take him up on the challenge. So when he ran from me after I took him up on the challenge, this basically infuriated me even more because I was like, this guy's a pure fraud. And so this is why I started Seven Kingz Trading 101, to be honest. It was based off of that challenge, okay? And so I said, all right, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to teach people what he's teaching them, but I'm going to do it for cheaper. And I'm going to teach people a little bit more than what he teaches them so I can feel a little bit better about, charging them. But to be honest, my integrity just wouldn't let me do that. Like, to be honest, like the fact that I knew that people could go out and learn for free bothered me inside to really charge for it. And so I really couldn't do it. That's what kind of makes us different from other people out there. We're not looking to take advantage of anybody. To be honest, we are here to help people. And so that just kind of got to me. So I decided to do things a little different. And so I started Seven Kingz Trading 101, and here we are. But before I go into what we offer, what our philosophy is, I just want to go over a couple of myths and kind of give you the facts to these myths, okay? Now, first myth, in order to learn how to trade properly, you must invest in your education. I agree in this, but when people say invest, they're not talking about your time and effort, which is pretty much all it takes for you to learn. They're talking about investing money. And the fact is, you can learn every single thing that you need to learn about trading for free online. It doesn't matter what you want to learn, whether it be support and resistance, money management, candle formations, price action. It doesn't matter. It's online somewhere for free. Guarantee, guarantee, guarantee. That's a fact, okay? Myth number 2, naked trading is the only way to be consistently profitable. And, this myth along with the next myth, honestly, they both kind of are coupled in together because a lot of the educational services out there, they want you to learn the most complicated way to trade. Why? Because logically, it takes longer. The longer it takes for you to learn, the longer you have to give them money because they're charging you for this service, okay? And so they want you to learn how to trade naked. And you can learn how to trade naked, and if you do, and you do it properly, you will be consistently profitable. But the fact is, almost every legitimate trading strategy can be consistently profitable with proper trade management. This is a fact. You can have a strategy that only wins 50% of the time, and if you trade properly and manage it properly, you will be consistently profitable. That's a fact, okay? Next myth, indicators are lagging, therefore can't really help. Price action is the only true indicator. Well, the fact is, price action is an indicator, as stated, and all indicators are lagging. Everything that you see on the chart is lagging information. It's information that has already taken place. Even if you go to a 1-minute chart and you see the bars constantly moving up and down, all of those are orders that have been filled already. No orders sitting waiting to be filled. That's the information that if somehow you can, get access to, you would be winning. But that's the information that you don't have access to. And so everything you see on the chart is lagging. Everything is an order that's already been placed. And so that's the information that you're getting is lagging information. What you need to understand is the nature of the market. So if tools help you understand the nature of the market, if you can, throw a couple of moving averages on your chart and an oscillator, and that helps you understand the nature of the market better than price action, then that's what you should be doing. Period. You shouldn't be doing something just because some guy said this is the way to do it. If you can understand price action and you don't want to use indicators, then do it. The point is, do what works for you. Use whatever it takes for you to be profitable and successful. So, our philosophy is time is more valuable than anything. So if you're willing to invest your time and effort into your education, then that should be enough. We will give you everything you need to be consistently profitable as a trader for free if you are willing to work for it. If you want to skip the work, it'll cost a few dollars. That's our philosophy. So, What we offer is a complete day trading course for free. We teach you strategies on swing trading, intraday, and scalping. We give you a complete trading strategy, and actually going to offer you a free ebook at the end of this video. With that free ebook, you have a completely free full trading strategy included in the ebook. So you can literally start learning today for completely free. Okay. Now we have some systems that are proprietary to us that we've coded. Those systems, one of them is 1999, and basically that system is, well, real quick, let's just kind of go over giving you an idea of the course. This is our course. That's me right there. That handsome guy right there. That's me. But basically, the course it consists of 4 different modules. Module 1 goes over the fundamentals, just giving you basic terminology, teaching you, difference between, binary options and, regular trading. And so, just basic stuff is module 1. Module 2, we go over support and resistance, very important stuff, different techniques, the quarters theory, Fibonacci, POCs, a lot of different stuff, standard deviations, what that guy was charging me, $80, $90. I teach you how to do it completely for free so that you can take the 30 minutes out of your day and go ahead and plot your charts and get the same thing that this guy is selling to people for, $100 a month. So we teach you all of that in our support and resistance module. And then we have our tools and our strategies where we go over different tools that we use and that we teach how to use them properly, different strategies to scalp the market, how to manage your trade, stay in your trades for swing trading, intraday trading, stuff like that, money management, which we feel is key to being successful. And so we teach you that in module 3. And then module 4 is just extras, some extra tools that we offer. It also goes over, how to utilize alerts, on-screen alerts, text message alerts, stuff like that, so you don't have to be a slave to the charts and a slave to the screen. You can live your life and still trade properly. That's what the course consists of. Now, if you don't want to put the work in, we do have a couple of trading systems that we actually offer at a price. Now, the first one we only charge $19.99. That actually takes our free strategy, but it puts it into one easy to learn and easy to use indicator that gives you on-screen and audible alerts, as well as these dots help you trail your trade so that you can manage it a lot easier. And all of this is built in and coded into one indicator. As you can see, easy to use. It doesn't take a whole lot of space off of your chart. Everything is clear. Everything is easy to figure out, to follow. And so that's our Kingz 34TC, and it's $19.99. And then we also have our main system, which is our Kingz Cloud 2.0. It's $499, but this system is the ultimate system in day trading, swing trading, scalping. It doesn't matter. It does it all, any time frame, any type of market, whether it be stocks, futures, Forex, it doesn't matter. And as you can see, it's very, those are some of the audible alerts. I'm getting some alerts right now. So basically, it gives you everything that you need visually. It tells you what the trend is. It's easy to follow, and for $499, it's a steal, I promise. But we don't necessarily want to sell you that, to be honest. If you want it, we're here to provide it to you, but we want you to learn how to trade. So again, we're going to start you off with this free ebook and strategy that's included in the ebook. From there, we actually want you to go to 7kingstrading101.com, register, get started with the day trading course, learn how to trade properly, and we actually give this to you as far as access at no cost forever. And to be honest, I haven't come across anybody yet that gives you a complete course for free, a free strategy to go along with that course to get you started off on the right foot, And if you want to take that free strategy and basically, just simplify it a lot easier so you don't have to stare at the screens a lot, for $20, you can get the 34 TC. And basically, that's all you need to be a successful trader. Now, our Seven Kings cloud system has less false signals, and so you're going to have less losses with it. It allows you to manage the trade a lot better, so you can sustain the trades and maximize your wins a lot more. And so we do charge a little bit more for that. And again, that kind of takes the entire learning curve out of the whole process. And so that's why we do charge $499 for that. So for free, you can get started now. Free system, free knowledge, free knowledge base as far as like our course, and a free strategy, all at completely no cost. Go to Seven Kings Trading 101, get signed up for the course. Go ahead, download the ebook to learn the system, and yeah, get you a demo account started and start learning how to trade properly. At Seven Kings Trading 101, we're here to help you do that with integrity. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here at this point. Again, my name is Terrell, Seven Kings Trading 101. You have a wonderful day.